Daun. Apa lagi? See?
Mm-hmm.
Não.
Agora sim.
Alright, hello. I hope you're all well. This is episode 7, and today we're going to talk about the spider monkey. So, the spider monkey is one of my favorite animals to find in the jungle, just because you never know how they're going to react. I think every time is different. They're very territorial, and they're also very interested in us. So, they don't just run away like a lot of the smaller monkeys, they'll just disappear. They'll actually kind of tell you, like, this is my house, this is my tree, what are you doing here? And we see that a lot. Like the further we go into the jungle, a lot of the spider monkeys I've found days in the jungle are very territorial. They haven't seen humans before. Some on close to the river I've seen humans, so they're aware of us. So they see us, and they tell us, this is my tree, this is my area. What are you doing? They're also kind of a good indication of where other animals are as well. So they will follow other animals. Um, Obviously, jaguars, pumas, etc. They always are on top of, and they're very vocal. I would say, like we can hear them in the distance. They're always calling. I've seen troops of them as well. They will walk on their own. We've seen in the videos in this episode there was a couple that were actually eating above our camp, which is pretty cool. I've seen them walk in
Mm-hmm.
families, like with young, and obviously in bigger groups as well. I think the biggest group I've probably seen is maybe 7
Agora
spider
sim.
monkeys together. So just kind of crossing. Um, they're called spider monkeys by the way they move as well, because they use their tail. They're very, very confident in the way they use their tail. That tail is an extra limb. When you see them move through the trees, it's quite incredible. So definitely one of my favorites. I have seen them throw vines, branches on top of us. They will shake the trees. Just about anything you can expect from spider monkeys. So it's always, I guess, isn't it? There's a form of excitement when you see them. Um, and they also respond to our calls as well. You would have seen in the video, we do imitate their call and they will call back. And if he's never seen us before, he will also um, kind of respond in a way. So obviously we don't respond. We're not talking spider monkey. We're trying to imitate them. It pretty makes no sense to them. So it's quite interesting. So definitely one of my favorites. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the videos because yeah, This time round, the videos I caught were probably the best I've caught in all the years I've been here. I'm very lucky to come back from a long walk, and they were just above our camp. That area they do always pass through, but they were so calm they didn't even see us. So it was a very special moment, even for Marcelo. Marcelo's seen these creatures all the time, but he's never seen them so relaxed and not notice us, just because they were just chilled. They were chilled in the tree, eating away, and they just didn't see us. So yeah, a really, really nice moment. So please enjoy this video. It's probably one of the best ones I'll catch in the next couple of years. So thank you very much, guys. Ciao, ciao.
Ah. No, 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 Kevin. Mina dua. Spita. Mina dua, spita. Bakao! Ah! Hidi ba hidi hidi. How about you, banana? Ba tigri apuru pishara. Hindi de mana jaman. Banana.